I'm looking for a place to stay for overnight.
Oh, it's still far here in Bilar.
What?
Still
What?
far. Atong gato bitong. Wala yung stayhanan.
What is it? I cannot hear you.
We'll just talk first.
Okay.
Sa kawa. Nabay, hindi ka tatang hatang alang ko po si Bilar.
How about a hotel and a restaurant also? I'm looking for a food.
Actually, it's far here because this is not the main city of the Bohol.
All right.
It's in Tagbilaran. I
Do you
think
have the name of the hotel?
Q Hotel maybe.
Layo pa ni?
Ay, oh my God! Oh my God!